Hi everyone, it's Martina and today I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing SF9's latest photo essays, Me Another Me, and this one is Rowoon and Yoo Taeyang's photo books. I feel like it's been a hot second since I've filmed an SF9 related video. It's been a couple months honestly. And if you are wondering, Martina, when are you gonna upload like a video on the Comma photo book, or did you order that? Yes, I did order it, and I did record a video, a very long video of me unboxing it, and my phone decided to die when trying to upload or update it to iOS 15 or whatever the newest one is, and it had to be factory reset, and I lost that footage. So that's annoying, because I spent over an hour recording that because I got the photo book and like to the photo card sets, and I also recorded another video that day unboxing Auntie's albums, and it all got lost, and yeah, so I'm upset. But anywho, I'm back now with Me Another Me, and hopefully this won't be deleted from my phone. So I ordered these set like I did with Youngbin and Insong's photo books. And I, again, ordered this from FNC just because the shipping was cheaper than from the other option, which was like with drama, I think. And yeah, it was also cheaper than like K-Town for You. So anywho, I ordered it through FNC, and here we go. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. And like I already mentioned, I got the set which has Rowoon and Yoo Taeyang, and it comes in this nice little box. I already went ahead and took off the plastic wrap so it wasn't very distracting, but as you see, Rowoon has this like creamy yellow, and Yoo Taeyang has this like gray blue color. As you can see, here are both their little photo books in here. On the other side, this is Me Another Me first story, and on this side it has their names. Oh no, got all bent up here. Oh no, ow, wow, that's actually kind of bad, sad. But the front part looks okay at least, and I probably would put it out like this anyways, so I mean, whatever. It's just a photo book. Better the box than the photo books. Hopefully they're okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Oh my god. These are just an empty box. Okay, so here we have both their photo books, and I'm already being attacked by Yoo Taeyang. So you can see this was, these photos were obviously taken a little while ago because this is when Rowoon had his short hair. And then it also came with the photo cards, which is specific to the set. Those were just stuck between them, and I took them out to save for later. I did see Rowoon's first one, but I'm gonna save them. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm probably gonna film this similar how I did with Youngbin and Insong's, where I'm just gonna kind of fast forward through me flipping through the photos. And like last time, the photo cards were just kind of randomly scattered throughout, so when I get to those I'll talk about them. But I'm super excited. But yeah, I was a little surprised when I saw this was coming out because Youngbin and Insong's came out, so I just figured they'd be going in age order. So I thought next would be Jaeyoon and Dawn, but we have Rowoon and Yoo Taeyang. So I'll be curious to see who will be next. And also there's 9 members, and they've been doing these in sets of 2, so I'm wondering who they're gonna put in a group of 3. I wonder if they're gonna do like, if they're gonna do Jaeyoon, Dawn, and duo, and then Huyoung and Chani, or something else, or it'll be interesting, or if they'll just release someone's as a solo book. I feel like they wouldn't do that, but maybe. Because they've been doing these sets, so maybe they'll do like a duo set as a trio? I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm also curious what the other colors everything's gonna be. Because there's a lot more. We still got 5 more members. But yeah, so without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and go into these and start flipping through them. I'm going to start off with Rowoon since he's older, and we'll go to Taeyang after. So before I get into flipping, I just figured I would show you what it looks like. So as you can see, it has this photo, and then me and another me is in this like glossy, kind of like holographic a little bit. And then it shows me, another me, Rowoon's photo essay. And on the back, it just says me, another me, the first story. And then all the little rights down there. And yeah. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I already forgot. So in the front here we have Rowoon's little posters. So this comes with 2 posters. So here they are. Oh my gosh, look at him with those blueberries. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Ah! So you have Rowoon like arranging a flower pot and with some blueberries. And on the back they don't have anything. Wow. Oh, he's so handsome. Also, Rowoon is booked and busy with them K-dramas. I just saw he got booked for another fantasy drama. He's in the middle of The King's Affection, is currently airing, and I think he's maybe still filming for it. I don't actually 100% know, but my boy does not stop. Boy needs to breathe. He's in here, me, another me. And I wonder how they've decided on these colors for the different members. Did they like choose, or I feel like probably not, but interesting. Oh my goodness, it looks like we're starting off with him kind of in this apron, like in a flower shop or whatever the scene is, like the one poster shown. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and fast forward me flipping through this because I don't want to break my back. Cute. But I want to go back in and talk about a couple of things. Because I'm fast forwarding. One, he's like, something about this flannel pajamas and like red and green makes me really think about Christmas. And then like, he must really like this one book by Mitch Albom, The 5 People Meet in Heaven, because he took a lot of photos with it. But I like, I already mentioned the chips, but I like how he went from like, in the first part, let me see if I can find it. He's like farming his own like fresh food, and like, look at that, he's like looking at those nectarines or whatever it is, and you know, being all healthy, and you know, like eating blueberries and stuff. And then now he's like some college kid eating just a bunch of junk food like Ruffles and fried chicken and ramen and all this stuff and Pringles or whatever, and beer. Is that beer? Is it supposed to be beer? I'm just like, interesting how just a couple pages someone could change so much. But anywho, yes. That was Rowoon's little photo essay. Me, another me. And next we have Yoo Taeyang's, which again looks basically the same as Rowoon's, just different color and a obviously different person. So his is this blue color with like a light cream border. So mine says this is Yoo Taeyang's photo essay. Me, another me, with the credits. And yeah. Oh my goodness. So here are his posters. Leo. Okay, whatever this is from, like, is he in like a car or something? Like, oh my goodness. This photo, like, dang. Also, both of them, he's showing off his biceps and his arms, like, are you trying to kill me? Apparently you are. Like Rowoon did this nice soft concept. And same with Insong and Youngbin, but I don't know, something about Yoo Taeyang and like this black sleeveless shirt with like all these lights in the background. Like, this does not look soft. This looks like spicy, okay? Me, another me. First story, Yoo Taeyang. Like, bruh, what? Rowoon was like making perfumes and farming, and you're here in like a recording studio looking like this? That's just not fair. That's not polite, okay? Like, how... Boy's trying to kill us. He wants fantasy to suffer. I'm suffering. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this until I get to photo cards or the group photos. Like, what? isn't all in Korean, which is all in Korean, so I'm not gonna even try to bother to read it. Wow, I'm struggling to speak. Yoo Taeyang will do that to you, get you all flustered. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm sure it's on Twitter or whatnot. Cute. So we have more of these photos of Yoo Taeyang and Rowoon, which are like honestly some of my favorite things from these albums, are these like little photos. Ah, cute, cute, cute. So they're in the exact same outfits as last time. Ah, I love this. Again, these photos, like last time, they seem very similar to me, but I know they're different. Cute. Again, Rowoon's in the, or not Rowoon, Taeyang's in the kitchen. And look, it's like the blueberries and peaches, nectarines or whatever that Rowoon was cultivating earlier, farming earlier.
위태로운 내 삶을 너가 잡아주길 바래 그 어떤 것도 필요 없어 너와 날만 나누게 내 손만 잡아주면 돼 yeah, yeah, yeah. 광야 같은 내 맘에 공허한 바람만 아무도 찾지 않는 나 매일이 달라 시들어 하루 time over 내일이 time over 그 끝에 나를 잡아줄 내 손을 내밀어 식어가는 나의 체온 너의 용기를 전해줘 Waking my soul
Wow. Okay, so we're done with that, but I gotta go back and say some stuff. So I was just about to say, because I was getting towards the end, I was like, oh, first of all, I love this photo and I just haven't opened it. Like, look, he's so happy, like laughing. I was just about to say, these are like the softer photos I'm looking, you know, that I was expecting. And then freaking like, all these things start popping up and I'm like, bro, your shirt is wide open. And like, which was the one? Like, what is this? Sir, this does not lead a lot to the imagination. What is this? Put some clothes on. Oh my goodness. Like, Yoo Taeyang wants to kill us fantasy. Like, he does not want to leave anyone alive. He really wants me to add my bias list. Oh god, I'm trying to stay strong. To end so young, but Yoo Taeyang needs to chill. That being said, I think Yoo Taeyang's photo essay is my favorite because I like the photos. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the soft, cute photos, but like, come on, like, bruh, like, oh, sorry. Okay, so last but not least are these photo cards, which came if you bought the set version specifically. You get an extra photo card of Rowoon, Yoo Taeyang, and then a duo photo, which coordinates with the colors. So I'm going to start off with Rowoon's. As you can see, there's his signature. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Cute! So they are wearing the outfits that they wore for when they took the group photos. So like Rowoon was on a laptop and Yoo Taeyang was like sitting next to him with some headphones. Next we have Yoo Taeyang. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Cute. Sorry, the glare is bad. Ah, he looks so handsome. They both do. Like, really, they really chose some very strong visuals to pair up. Okay, and then finally, last but not least, is the group photo card, which has a little thing written by Rowoon and Taeyang. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah, they look so cute. I freaking love these group photo cards. SF9 has not done group photo cards in the past, and holy crap, I love them. I want them to do more because that one of Youngbin and Insung, holy crap, was so cute, and this is so cute. I remember when I ordered my comma photo book, I pre-ordered it from Apple Music, and you got 2 random photo cards out of 12, and 3 were group photo cards with 3 members. I sadly did not get those, but I really wanted them. But yes. Okay, so that was me unboxing me, another me. The photo essays for Rowoon and Yoo Taeyang, and then I just kind of scattered the photo cards around. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm really glad they made more. At first I wasn't sure if it was just something unique to Youngbin and Insung or if they were gonna do it for all the members, so I'm really glad seeing they are doing it for all the members. And now that they've switched to Rowoon and Taeyang, now I'm like really curious about who they're gonna go to next, like if they're gonna go to Jae and Daewon, or if Jae and Daewon are even gonna be together or what. But yeah, I'm assuming we'll probably hear about the next photo essay in like at the end of November, at the end of this month, because that seemed about like the right timing. But yeah, I'm super excited. Oh no. Anywho, if you guys liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more content. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Don't let it fall apart 의 모든 것을 간직해줘요 너의 곁에 Don't let it fall apart 한 하나라도 잊지 말아줘 nothing
나의 모든 조각들이 다 사라지면 뭐가 남을까 하나하나 잃어갈 때마다 하나 둘씩 떠나갈 때마다 커져 초조한 빈칸